one binge watching how to make money online videos while your boss is probably emailing you right now. Let me ask you this. What if 3 AI tools could do what you do at work, but faster, better, and without needing coffee breaks? And what if you could use those tools to earn $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 a month from home? Today, I'm giving you the exact tools and blueprint to escape your 9-to-5 trap. So grab a notebook, silence the distractions, because this is the one video you'll wish you watched sooner. Tool number 1, Canva AI for graphic design services. Let's start with the GOAT of design, Canva AI. If you've used Canva before, great. But if you haven't tried their new magic design, you're missing out. Here's what it does. You just type a prompt like, create a luxury real estate Instagram post, and boom. It gives you scroll-stopping graphics in seconds. Now imagine offering that as a service to realtors, coaches, or small business owners. These folks need content every single day, and most of them don't have time or taste to design it themselves. Here's what you do. Head over to Fiverr or Upwork. Look up social media graphics. You'll see people charging $50 to $300 per pack. Now, you offer the same service powered by AI. Start small, $15 to $20 per client. Build trust, collect reviews, then scale up. One of my subscribers, Arjun, made his first $600 in a month, doing just 10 posts a week for 3 clients. He's from India. He used only Canva and ChatGPT. That's it. Pro tip: use Canva's brand kit to upload your client's logo, colors, and fonts. It'll look like a pro agency did the work, but you know the secret. Tool number 2, ElevenLabs plus ChatGPT for voiceover and script writing. Let's talk about your voice or someone else's. Thank you, ElevenLabs. With this tool, you can sound like Morgan Freeman, your favorite YouTuber, or even a British gentleman if you want to sound fancy. What it does, it turns any script into a polished, studio-quality voiceover. Pair it with ChatGPT for writing YouTube scripts, TikTok ads, podcast intros, whatever your client needs. Voiceover artists charge anywhere from $50 to $500 per job. But you don't need a mic, a studio, or even acting skills. Just these 2 tools. Let me tell you a story. A client paid me $100 for a 60-second product video. Script, written by ChatGPT. Voiceover, done in ElevenLabs. Editing, 15 minutes in CapCut. Total time spent, 25 minutes. Profit, $90. Here's what you do. Sign up for ElevenLabs free plan. Ask ChatGPT, write me a 60-second script for a beard oil ad targeting men 25 to 40. Record the voiceover. Use it to build a demo reel. Upload it to Fiverr, voices.com, or DM brands directly. Just imagine, your voice bringing someone else's brand to life. And you're getting paid for it in pajamas. It's real. You can do this. Tool number 3, Systeme.io for building income funnels. Now for the big one. If you're serious about building a real online business, you need Systeme.io. It's an all-in-one free tool to build landing pages, grow email lists, and sell digital products. All with zero tech headache. No coding, no expensive software. If you can drag and drop, you're good. You can use it to build a landing page to collect emails, deliver a freebie, or sell a digital product. Set up automated email sequences, even on the free plan. Perfect for affiliate marketers, ebook sellers, course creators, or even your local gym. One of my students made $1,200 in just 3 weeks. He created a $7 ChatGPT prompt pack PDF in Canva, uploaded it to Systeme.io, promoted it on Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Boom! Passive income, no ads, no fancy funnel. Want to copy that? Here's your step-by-step. Ask ChatGPT, give me 50 viral Instagram reel prompts for fitness coaches. Design a simple PDF in Canva. Upload it to Systeme.io and create a landing page. Offer it for $5 or $7. Share it on Instagram, Reddit, or Facebook groups. And if you want a complete breakdown of how to do this, Watch my video, How to Start a $500 a Week Side Hustle with ChatGPT, No Skills Needed. It walks you through the exact steps, even if you're a total beginner. Now you've got a mini business that runs even while you sleep. Let's keep it real. AI isn't coming for your job, it's coming for your boss. And now you've got the tools to do something about it. Let's recap. Canva AI, sell social media designs. ElevenLabs, sell voiceovers. System.io, build your own digital product funnel. But if you're still overwhelmed or not sure where to start, download my free PDF, the AI Money Toolkit. It has all the tools, websites, and scripts I talked about today in one place. The link is in the description. Grab it before you forget. Remember, watching videos doesn't make you money. Taking action does. Pick one tool from this list and try to land your first gig this week. When you do, drop a "I did it" in the comments so I can feature you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and let's build your AI income empire together.